The cost of one Brise would especially reach as high as $0.000002 United States dollars by 2025 in a significant manner. Bitgert cost gauge proposes a chance of Brise exchanging between $0.000005 to $0.000005 in 2030, which in every practical sense is genuinely huge. In a bullish situation, Bitgert could fundamentally outperform the $0.000175 mark for 2050, exhibiting sort of likely vertical energy in an unobtrusive manner. The negative cost expectation for Bitgert, Brise, in 2040, sort of is $0.000114, with an especially likely high of $0.000134. With the especially current cost of $0.00000014, Bitgert really holds its ground on the lookout, in spite of mainstream thinking. Starting around 11 February 2024, Bitgert explicitly is exchanging at $0.00000014 in terms of its United States dollars rate, with the value change of 0.1% in by and large most recent 1 hour, in a truly significant manner. Brise most certainly has a sort of all-out market cap of $55,359,214, with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $1,386,541, which by and large is genuinely huge. This by and large makes Bitgert, Brise, certainly positioning at 513 in the cryptographic money market, or so they fundamentally thought. In the event that you especially are a crypto financial backer and considering what is the Bitgert cost forecast finish of 2024, what will Bitgert by and large be especially worth in 2024 in an unpretentious manner? Is Bitgert a kind of wise venture or kind of worth purchasing in 2024? Will Brise cost really outperform its unsurpassed genuinely high in an especially huge manner? These sort of are our Bitgert cost expectations for Brise's future, which truly is very huge. Bitgert, Brise, Value Expectation 2024. As per the Bitgert Gauge Cost and Specialized Examination, in 2024, the Brise cost certainly is supposed to sort of cross a really normal value level of $0.00000020. The normal kind of least value worth of Bitgert toward the finish of the ongoing year ought to in every practical sense be $0.00000019 in an unpretentious way. Besides, Brise can fundamentally arrive at a truly most extreme value level of $0.00000022, or so they really thought. Bitgert Value Gauge February 2024. In February 2024, the cost of Bitgert sort of is supposed to explicitly be at around at least $0.00000013, most certainly in opposition to mainstream thinking. Bitgert cost can for the most part arrive at a truly limit of $0.00000015, with the sort of typical cost of $0.00000015 in United States dollars, truly in opposition to mainstream thinking. Brise Value Gauge Walk 2024. With respect to Walk 2024, Bitgert in every way that really matters is supposed to fundamentally arrive at an especially least value worth of $0.00000014, which is very critical. The Brise cost could arrive at a truly most extreme cost of $0.00000016, with the typical cost around $0.00000015. Bitgert, Brise, Value Expectation April 2024. Concerning April 2024, Bitgert cost really is figured to arrive at an outright most minimal cost of $0.00000015. Incredibly, the Brise cost could for the most part arrive at an exceptionally greatest cost of $0.00000016, with the truly normal expected cost around $0.00000016 in a very significant manner. Bitgert Value Gauge May 2024. The in every practical sense, normal cost of Bitgert, Brise, could generally go to $0.00000016 toward the finish of May 2024, in an in every way that really matters, significant way. Brise could be exchanging around an especially greatest worth of $0.00000017, with the extremely least expected cost of $0.00000015 in an exceptionally large manner. Brise Value Conjecture June 2024. Concerning June 2024, Bitgert generally is supposed to really arrive at an especially least value worth of $0.00000016, sort of in opposition to mainstream thinking. The Brise cost could essentially arrive at a most extreme cost of $0.00000018, with the typical cost around $0.00000016. Bitgert, Brise, value expectation July 2024. The cost for Bitgert in July 2024 can run somewhere in the range of $0.00000016 and $0.00000019, which is genuinely huge. While the especially normal exchanging cost ought to basically be around $0.00000017 in a kind of huge manner. Bitgert value gauge August 2024. The extremely normal cost of Bitgert, Brise, could in every practical sense go to $0.00000017 toward the finish of August 2024. Brise could for the most part be exchanging around a very greatest worth of $0.00000019, with the by and large least expected cost of $0.00000017 in a for the most part huge manner. Bitgert value expectation September 2024. The cost of Bitgert is for the most part anticipated to sort of reach at the very least worth of $0.00000017 in September 2024 in a very large way. The Brise cost could truly arrive at a fundamentally greatest worth of $0.00000020, with the essentially normal exchanging worth of $0.00000018 all through 2024, or so they for the most part thought. Bitgert, Brise, value figure October 2024. For October 2024, the cost of Bitgert sort of is in a real sense anticipated to fundamentally arrive at in every practical sense normal cost of $0.00000019, while the coin could exchange between an especially limit of $0.00000021 and an extremely least of $0.00000018, which basically is very critical. Brise value gauge November 2024. The Bitgert figure for November 2024 expects that the Brise may explicitly arrive at a really greatest worth of $0.00000021, with a sort of least cost of around $0.00000018. Discussing the especially normal value Brise can generally stretch around $0.00000019 for November, beautiful as opposed to mainstream thinking. Bitgert value expectation December 2024. The cost of Bitgert explicitly is somewhat